drone, gimbal, drone, gimbal, drone. Everything we need. Oh, we ain't taking my baby today. Taking the fishbowl today. Yeah, we ain't taking my baby today. Make sure y'all subscribe to my channel, hit the notification button, please. RT Sterls Way 52. But yeah, anyway, let's go on to the fishbowl. Oh, pack house, Jesus. Pack house. Pull in, find us a little parking spot. We might have to go around back. Jesus, this thing is packed. Let's see what we got going on. We probably gonna have to park in the back. We got the little drone out here. Man, it's got the little drone. We're gonna bring the big boy out though. Hellcat. Somebody got the Veil side over here. The Veil side body kit. Damn, what the fuck he doing? I know. Get on through. Look at it, look.
What? You know it's way too late. Between what?
It's so cold, I really didn't think nobody was gonna be here this early, so I was trying to creep on through.
I mean, we definitely got some spots in the back, man, but I don't know where else.
Yeah, that's great, bro, that's great.
All right, man. I'll meet you back there.
Okay.
Where's Kyle?
Kyle went out last night.
Yeah, I know.
That part. That's my boy Oscar right there, him and Caleb. They the one throwing this thing. Oh. Slide on back through here, find us a little parking spot real quick. Yeah, I'm about to park right there. Damn, he trying to put me in the back. Look who back here. Man, hell.
Nico. Judo.